Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest your lettuce leaves so that the plant regrows really well. Here's a clip from the show. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the leaves from the outside. So if we isolate this plant, see if I can isolate that. So we're going to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves from the outside, and we're going to leave the center core so that it can regrow, and we'll continue to pick in a circle around it. So the way that we're going to pick is we're just going to come in here and put our thumb through the vein on the leaf there, pick it real close to the core here, and we just come around and pick it like that. So it's really easy. It's easy on the plant and keeps the plant in production. So if we cut the center out, then the plant is done growing. If we uproot it, the plant is done growing. So our goal here is just to get a harvest every week off of these plants. So I'm going to go around each of these plants and get me a few leaves off of each one at least. And then we're going to have our very first salad out of this garden. So that's pretty doggone cool. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 5. If you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.